Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suziestouches, the gele guru. So guys, today I'm going to be doing V8, but the technique I'm going to be using is for when you have a very short fabric. Like this vintage ashoke, it is 3 hour. It is not 4 hour. I know that the bridal standard is 4 hour, not 3 hour. So, but the inches, the length must be 90. So today I'm going to teach you a technique that you can use to get a very big gele with with the breadth that is 3 hour. So what I did here is I did my normal measurements. So I'm going to go about my normal measurement. That is my 70/30. So I'm going to do my normal VBs. For those of you that don't know how to do the normal VBs, you can go back to my previous videos and check how I did it. So at this particular point, I'm going to start as if I want to do my fan, the normal full fan, the normal V-shaped fan that I want to do. So that's how I'm going to start. So at that point, when I start my normal V shape. So at this particular point, I've made my normal fan. So I'm not going to come to the other side. I'm working from my left and right. So I'm going to come to my left hand side. I'm now going to pick those bits little by little. I will now start to shift it a bit after the other. I'm going to make sure that the place that I'm picking at the left hand side, I'm going to make sure that they are small, like just the normal round type of thing. So at the end of the day, I'm going to have a triangle like shape of a thing. So when I get that triangle like of a thing, I'm not going to make my fan like my normal haze. You pick small there, you pick big there. So that is how I'm going to get my haze at that side. Do you get me? That is, this system works for when you are working with a fabric that is not big. I mean the breadth is not much. Can you see the way I did it? So that is, I'm not going to come to the back, then arrange it inside so that it is going to lay very well on each other. This method works. At this particular point, I'm trying to pull it inside so it will not be slack at that left hand side that I'm working with. Can you see the way I'm pulling it? I'm just going to drag it just a little, not too much. So I'm not going to arrange my pleat. Then I will now come to my right hand side. That is my other side. Then at that right hand side, I'm going to just pick it like normal fan like thing because I want to make my haze. Can you guys see? Guys, please kindly watch my YouTube channel. Tell your friends to go check. If you have any issues, you can just drop a message for me on WhatsApp through the number on the link so I can explain. So guys, please try and watch, subscribe, like, and let me know your view about this method to get your haze. Can you see this gele is getting big, and this particular fabric is just 3 hour, not three joinings, not four. And can you see it's looking big? Guys, kindly follow me on Instagram too. I'm on TikTok, the same handle. So guys, at this particular point in time, I'm going to just adjust, and so that I'm going to make sure that everything is looking all well laid and all well perfect. So at this point, I'm just going to bring down my base hand to the base, and I'm going to my tip to the base, and I'm going to pin it down. So yeah, you can just look at how I folded my gilly in out of the excesses, so it won't be too much and it will look very neat and moderate. So this is how I worked about it. So I make sure that it is very very firm, so it will not look too because. So this is what I did. I just took the longer part, I brought it up, so, and I had to pin it down here, so it's going to stay and be firm, very very firm. Can you see the way my back, the way it looks like? And the tying is not too long of a thing, so here I'm trying to adjust it to make sure that the height is perfect and everything is looking all beautiful and nice. Guys, please kindly like, follow me, and in case you have any question, you can DM me and ask anything that you are not clear. So guys, this is our final look. Our final look. Can you see it's looking all set and all beautiful? Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comments on this particular style. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate.